We're Jan and Jane, and we live in Ross Township.
Finding people who have experience, who keep to the timeline, who show up on time, do the job as scheduled.
Well, we interviewed them first, but we just stopped there because they seemed to be very responsive, very professional. We liked their work. We had seen pictures. And most importantly, they were concerned with getting things done on time.
Well, she was very personable. She was very patient with us. She was going to work with us until we had exactly what we wanted.
Yes, she presented a few scenarios in the beginning, and I had some ideas that I wanted to add in, and she very nicely took that into consideration, and we ended up getting, the space we wanted. Well, they came every day at the same time, nice and early. They always cleaned up well, and they were very personable, very nice. We got to know them on a personal level, and it was just very pleasant working with them.
And the craftsmanship was excellent. It did, the detail work was really exceptional.
I like the fact that they pretty much stayed on schedule all the time, told me what was coming up, what was going on, what they'd be working on that day, when we'd see them the next day. So they were really accountable, and that was nice.
Definitely do it. However, keep in mind they are not the cheapest around, but quality-wise, I have no reservations about using. I would use them again.
My favorite part is where I'm standing now. I call this my bathroom in the sky. I got everything I ever wanted: a nice big shower, a water closet, room separate, and in fact, I have a tub here that's a walk-in tub that I like. And they took care. I told them what I wanted, and I told them, the model and the company, and they just took care of everything. They had it shipped in, installed it, did the warranty stuff. I didn't have to do anything. I was just stuck in the middle of it. So it was just nice to work with one vendor who knew what they were doing.
Thank you, Pittsburgh Best. We're completely satisfied with the renovation. It was a good job. Just good craftsmanship, good materials. Well done from the beginning to end.
And thank you, Pittsburgh Best, for being so attentive to our needs and giving me exactly what I wanted.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.